Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you from Dollar General. Let's see what we can get for under $10 using all of the new digital coupons. Oops, sorry. Alrighty, the first item we're going to be picking up is this vitamin here for $6.75, the one a day women's. We have a $3 digital coupon. To come off, making that $3.75, and it matches with our $3 off when you purchase 10 like bear whatever thingy. So we're gonna pick that up. All right, let's throw that in. Alrighty, the next item we're going to be picking up is one of these. I was going to try Flintstone, but they didn't have any of the Flintstone Vitamins to see, so I already scanned both of these. There is a $1 off coupon off of each, and it counts, so it'll be $3.50 after the $1 off coupon. So let's go for heartburn and gas relief or extra strength. Let's go for the heartburn one. Okay, so we're gonna go for this one, $4.50 with a $1 off coupon. Also, hi. Also qualifying for the $3 off 10. Okay, so. Alrighty, so our next deal that we're going to do, I'm actually going to do this twice. I'm going to show you the one with the glitch and without the glitch, okay? We have instant savings when you purchase 2 of the Caress products. So the glitch is when you purchase 2 of these, what is this, 3 count? Yeah, 3 count bar soaps for $2.75, basically $3.50. $2 is coming off, making that $3.50, and the store coupon, digital coupon, is also coming off, basically making it $1.50. Now the next deal that I will be doing is just getting one of these. Oopsie, oh my gosh, one of these bars and 1 body wash. So that would put me over, because wait a minute, where's the body wash? Where's the body wash? Oh, right over here. Oh, okay, we got all that shea butter with brown sugar. Let me just go for one of these. I'm gonna go for one of these. Okay, so we see that that is $4 plus one of these 3 count, which is $2.75, making it $6.75. After all discounts and coupons is applied, just these 2 alone would be $2.50. Okay, but we're also going to try the glitch. Alrighty, the next deal I was going to do, but after scanning I see that it doesn't apply. It does apply to this one. We have a buy one get one free, and it has a picture of this on there. That's a store coupon. We also have a 50-cent off coupon. This is $1.85. Okay, but it is not showing an attachment to this, the buy one get one free, even though it says sensitive. But it does show when I scan this, the coupon does apply, and we have a $3 off digital coupon. So I was going to try to see if that will work, but since it's not attaching, what's the point? So I'm not going to go for that one. Alrighty, and the last deal that I will be doing is this one. We just got a buy one get one free digital coupon. These are $3 for the palm olive, and oh, there is no more Ajax. Over here it's the big bottle, just like this palm olive, but you purchase 2 and the store digital coupon will come off, making it $3 for both or $1.50 each. So we're gonna throw that in. That will be the last deal because we really didn't get that great of coupons, and we didn't get a lot of new coupons. So let's just utilize these. I wish the razor and the shaver worked, but you know, because it's supposed to be buy the razor, get the shaving cream for free, and who knows, you know, could have taken off the razor, but it's not attaching to that Gillette. So we're gonna go for this. Alrighty everyone, this one is with the bar soap and the actual body wash. As you can see, both store discounts came off, and then we also got the one a day and the Palmolive. As you can see, everything came off for 6 items, $10. And so we have a savings of $14. So right there, guess what? That's close to a 5 off 25. You would just do an like another $1 worth, no, $3 worth, I think it is. Yes, because you have a $2 instant savings. So you got to account for that. So instead of being at 25, you would be at 27. All right, let me show you the next receipt. Alrighty, this is the one with the glitch, and as you can see, it is $8.75 for 6 items. Same savings of $14. Okay, everything came off perfectly, worked great on both transactions, and now you can see how much these items are when you put them together. All right, and even if you want to do the glitch, I would say to do it now because you don't know if they're going to fix it. All right, everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.